Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 7 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. GDU O2 Quadcopter Drone. O2 has one of the world's smallest 3-axis stabilized camera gimbals, which is capable of recording breathtaking 4K video. We've updated our design to include sliding arms that tuck the props away inside the body. Additionally, because it requires less storage, we can integrate the controller and drone into a single, portable unit. O2 includes a ton of sophisticated features, such as gesture recognition controls for creating photos and movies, that let you be creative right away. Maintaining O2's complete stability both inside and out, assisting with object identification for a safer landing, and allowing O2 to recognize obstructions in its path and immediately halt at a safe distance. Coming to number 2. Splach Transformer. Everyone uses it for fun, and it might be a unique mode of transportation. Entertaining, energetic, flexible, and practical high torque with a variety of options for changing the stem, casing, and riding style. You'll draw lots of attention when driving this enormous, morphable motorcycle-like vehicle. The patented unique hefty motor's enormous torque of up to 960 W, which can take your ride over a variety of terrains such bustling urban jungles, unpaved rail trails, mountainous highways, and even unpaved rail trails, can fly up a 28% inclination slope thanks to the crazy boost. The 10x2.5 pneumatic fat tires give enhanced traction and stability in addition to a superb dual suspension system. You can smooth out the bumps and keep on the path with the aid of these features. Due to the dual-wave disc brake's ability to prevent them from overheating, the voyage is always secure. Coming to number 3. UDU Console. The UDU Console revolutionizes mobility with its cutting-edge motion controllers and high-definition haptics. Simply choose one of our excellent games, Bluetooth pair your device, and begin playing. A full-featured console with a portable mode for use while playing outside. Mobile games can be controlled with physical movements. Having active fun is what it's all about for families, kids, and adults. Play can be done indoors or outdoors, alone or with others. Wherever they are, anyone can engage in fun activities and encounters with UDU. Trustworthy and water-resistant. Coming to number 4. Wuben X2 EDC Flashlight. Little beast, mighty power. The X2's distinctive design revolutionizes the appearance of traditional spotlights. It has the largest range of applications in the smallest design and blends distinctiveness, usage, and durability to make it without a doubt the best EDC flashlight. It gives you the feeling that you are holding a little sun, so even on the stillest of nights, you'll never be left in the dark. The X2's brightness is comparable to that of a handheld spotlight or a tactical flashlight despite its small size. It dramatically improves your visibility of your surroundings whether you're hunting, hiking, camping, or exploring. When you carry lanyards, cables, and other EDC gear, your pockets can quickly become stuffed, and the connected items frequently tangle with one another. Coming to number 5. Xeter Spark. The 4-in-1 multifunctional flashlight, Xeter Spark will save you. You can tackle practically all situations with just one set of tools thanks to Spark's assortment of modular light holders, which frees up room in your luggage so you can travel light and fully enjoy outdoor activities. A solitary device called a Spark Core can combine forces with other spark holders to change into different kinds of illumination. The N52 grade neodymium magnet, the strongest one on the market, is used by Spark. When used regularly, because to its ability to generate more than 400 kilojoules per cubic meter of energy, it will firmly attach to its bearer. Most flashlights simply provide steepless dimming or adjustable focus. Coming to number 6. Anymotor. Versatile powerful hairdryer, air pump and blower. Each of the 3 types of mouthpieces included with Anymotor has a specific function and is used with a certain mouthpiece. Flat mouth. The flat mouth design is suitable for removing dust from your keyboard, sofa slits, and car air vents. Sharp mouth. The shape of the mouth is ideal for blowing balloons and making accessories for romance. Anymotor uses a powerful motor that spins at 108,000 revolutions per minute to generate a powerful breeze that swiftly dries the water. The Anymotor has a 2.5-hour operating period thanks to its integrated 1100 mAh battery. Simply put, a full charge takes only 2 hours. Anymotor only measures 122*61*38 mm and weighs 245 grams. It is compact and simple to carry because it is smaller than an iPhone Max. Coming to number 7. GoCube, the classic puzzle reinvented. Whether you're studying, improving, competing, or just having fun, the GoCube app takes your cubing to a new level. And it will be immediately available for free on iOS and Android. This suggests that, as contrast to the conventional cumbersome slow cubes that get stuck a lot, GoCube includes attributes that allow it to be fast and smooth. A solution to one of the most challenging problems we had to solve: how to successfully squeeze the entire universe of technology inside a standard-sized rotating cube, took a while for this group of magic-obsessed problem solvers to come up with. While keeping everything within reach, the endeavor was frequently challenging to the point that it appeared to be insurmountable. This is an excellent product for you. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.